Hey friends, I am going to show you how I painted this pink peony painting. It is a 5x7 panel with oil paint, and I'll show you my colors that I used, how I mixed them, and also you can follow along my process on the time lapse. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below, and please like and subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching. These are the colors that I used in my project: Viridian, Cadmium Yellow Light, Titanium White, 3 Cadmium Reds, Deep, Medium, and Light, Alizarin Crimson, Permanent Rose, Cobalt Blue, Ultramarine Blue, Cerulean Blue. I start the process by taking some Titanium White and adding Cadmium Red Medium to it to make a light pink. Then I take some of my Cobalt Blue and a little of my Alizarin Crimson and mix those two together to make a deeper purple color. I add some titanium to it, mix that around, and all the time I'm evaluating the color. Add a little more cobalt, add a little bit of yellow to neutralize it, and I continue mixing and evaluating. A little more yellow, and then some more of the cobalt blue, and now to pink it up, a touch of alizarin crimson and a bit of the permanent rose. Now that I've created my darkest pile, I'll separate some out and create a mid-tone that is pinker. I'm adding in my various reds so that it gets closer to that pink that I'd like. Add some titanium to lighten it up. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the light pink pile. I'm going to add a bit of blue to that, my cerulean blue, and that makes it gray. Then I add alizarin to pull it toward the pink. And what I'm creating is a cool pink. My first light pink is warm, and so I actually move that cooler pink over to my column that has the shadowy cooler colors. Next, I'm going to create a medium pink that is in the warmer value. So you can see I have 3 cools. Now I'm going to have 3 warms. The very lightest pink is first, and I am working on creating a medium pink. This mixture is titanium white, cadmium red dark, and a bit of cerulean. The darkest pile, I'm now going to use some cadmium red dark, some permanent rose, mix those together, touch of white, touch of blue, and that will be my deepest warm pink. So that is how I mix my pinks. I have a warm and I have a cool set, light, medium, and dark. And now it's time to do the rest of the painting.